Are you a sit-at-home mom looking for an online job that will pay you money, or you're just a student who is just curious to earn a living online? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a website which can give you all that, and you can use it to earn 5 figures monthly if you put in the work. That's the keyword, put in the work. Now, this website is easy to use and is a website for freelancer in which employers give tasks to workers, and in which if the workers complete this task, the workers get paid cool cash. So this website is a secret website which I'm going to expose to you in this video I am making. So join me in this journey of money making ideas, and let's discover this website which you can use to make money by just doing simple tasks which ranges from transcription, data labeling, and also surveys as well. Let's head down to learn more, and make sure you use my link down below this video in the description section below to sign up on this website. Let's head down there. Now here is the dashboard of this site I'm talking about, and of course this secret site that you can use to earn money, as I explained in my introductory part of this video. Of course, these are micro jobs which you can do at your convenient time, and being you is a mother, a nursing mother, a student, or you have your existing job, or you want to add something to make you busy and also add money to your wallet, to your pocket at the same time. Of course, these are the jobs that are available. As you can see right now, there is 172 jobs available for you when you sign up as a member. Jobs ranges from product review, SEO plus promote content, jobs from Telegram bot, join jobs. The list is endless. You can see. Let me scroll down. Oh boy, this is it. And this, as you see this list, so this converts to money to your pocket. Let's see the payment. This product review job, the payment is $0.08. Success rate, you can see the red dot. TTR means time to rate, the number of days in which tasks are going to be rated by employer. That is what TTR means. Work done, number of tasks completed over total position available, 9/25. You can see this other second job, SEO plus promote, $0.03. The TTR is low. You can see Telegram bot join, 0.06. The success rate is green, is okay too. As you can see, everything is being really transparent here about the available jobs. You can see your dashboard over here at the right hand side. You can, where you start making money, you see where your records are being recorded here, your total earned, your reserved, your pending amount, maybe for some job that are still pending, to balance on your dashboard. You can see your completed task as well, satisfy, pending review, your jobs, active jobs, tasks to rate. You can request withdrawal. Let's click on request withdrawal and see where it takes us to. This is another area of this platform, and I know this is the most delicate area because you will not work and won't be able to withdraw your money. You can see available for withdrawal, 0 dashboard, 0 my dashboard, insufficient. You can see you can also choose a withdrawal method. Can you know that withdrawal are processed within 10 business days? You need to have a minimum of $6 before you can request a withdrawal. You can use Skrill, that's a 7% fees, Ethereum, that's crypto, PayPal, you can withdraw to your PayPal, and Litecoin, crypto as well. This deposit fund, you can deposit fund in terms of crypto. You can move fund from your Ethereum balance to your reserve balance at the same time. You will be directed to selected provider. You can deposit funds and use it for something, credit card, PayPal. Oh, let's head down to another side, hiring jobs. You can find hiring jobs. You can see for every job you hired, you will be submitted tasks on daily. That this is a part if you want to hire a job. That's it. This is it. This part is also good for you to also earn as well. Let's see another part again in this platform. You can see my projects. I have no project, no active project yet because I'm new. You can see my job. Let's click my job as well. I'm taking around the whole platform. I've not hired anybody. I've not hired any job in this, so I can also create one if I'm ready. You can see I had job. So in this platform, you can just find job as well. Let's head down to micro jobs. You can find job if you are lost in this whole voluminous list. Can go down and look for look at job, skill share, sign up. All you need to do, you are going to be paid 0.7. So this platform is lucrative for everyone that wants to earn money. So right now, you can also refer as well. When you are a member of this platform, you can refer your friends, family member, and this is my refer link and code. This is my affiliate link and code. You can refer people to join you and you earn as well. And as for you that is watching this video right now, you can sign up using my referral link, which is I will be dropped in the comment section, in the description section in this same video. You can use it to sign up and be part of Jumaworkers as well, so that you can also earn money. You also earn as well doing micro job at home. These works are very simple. You don't need to stress yourself to make money from Jumaworkers. That is how Jumaworkers work. So right now, I'll be waiting for you to use my link right now and start making this money from this platform called Jumaworkers. Of course, I've mistakenly revealed the name of the secret website, as I plan to make it secret at the beginning of this video, but right now I've said it. There's nothing to hide here. You can see Jumaworkers is the online marketplace for work. This is how it works. This is how it works. Employers, the hassle-free way to hire a freelancer. You can see influential marketer, web application testing, surveys and research studies. You can see you have 100% control of who you can participate in your campaign, and only pay for tasks that meet your satisfaction. 3 basic steps: describe your task, review submitted work, pay if satisfied. You can hire people, you can also do work. That is what they are trying to tell you. Workers and freelancers, making money online has never been easier. You can perform tasks anytime, and there is no limit to the number of tasks you can complete in a day. Payments are made immediately the employer review your tasks. There are tasks like answering survey, installing and testing app, content promotion, data entry, right through to design, sales and marketing. Just see what you get from us. You can earn $2 for every verified claimable invite, earn $10 for every deposit made in by your invitees. So this is for the affiliate program. So go around the website, see their terms on use, see their FAQs, private policies, and join with my link in the description section in this video right now. And make sure you comment your thoughts on this platform. If you have any issues, comment below. I'll be here to reply you. Use the link down below, and that will be end for today's videos. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.